Hello everybody, this is going to be a bit of a random unexpected video. I was just going on an afternoon walk, no plans to record at all, so this video may be a little less edited than usual, or different, but I was walking along, and just through the bush in there's a tarp, a hidden tarp shelter, and if you don't know, that's kind of my thing. I hide tarp shelters around and see if they can survive, but this ain't one of mine. In fact, I've never even walked this trail before. But it's in here, so I figured I'd take you guys along and see if somebody's copying my idea. See it in there? So just in there. Alright, let's go and see what this is. It's so random, like. Somebody's taken my idea. It's literally one of like the same type of tarp I use as well, which makes it even weirder considering. But I swear to you guys, this is not one of my tarps. Someone else is doing some bush lifing. Yeah, there it is. That's so random. It's literally looks like one of my setups. That's so... No, somebody's been watching bush life and taken my concept. It literally reminds me from the main bush life series. You know what it looks like? The gym tent. It kind of reminds me of that. What the heck? It's got the zippy ties on the tree with duct tape. Alright. It's been here for a while. You can tell by that build up and those stains, those watermarks. I know those watermarks. So it's been here a while, but it's not mine, I swear. Looking around, I don't see anything else, but isn't that bizarre? Somebody's been taking the bush life ideas. It's very random. There's old fencing wire in it. Look, it's got the barbs on it too, here for whatever reason. And there's whatever this. I don't know. It kind of looks knife shaped, but I don't know. It's very, very random. I'm gonna cross this. It's not my tarp, guys. Believe me. I know it might be hard to believe, but it's not mine. Don't worry. If I was gonna build a hidden tarp, I wouldn't build it this close to the path. That's just a recipe for disaster, or so you'd think. But it's still here, so I guess people don't care as much as maybe I think they do. So we come over here. There's some other structure my partner's found. I don't know. Look at this. What is this even meant to be? They're trying to build a tree house? Recent? Huh.
Look, that's the tree they chopped down.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it is. So they're just chopping trees down here. What are they trying to build a tree house or something? Well, to the guy who keeps commenting for me to build a tree house, well, somebody's beat me to it, I guess. I don't really know. How stable is this? It looks like good wood. It's decent. It is screwed. Yeah, it's all screwed in, but I don't know what its purpose is meant to be. This feels like I'm Randonauticing without the Randonautica marker. Oh, here's chopped trees from, I presume that. There's one end of it there. Our tarp back there. Very, very random. Having a little walk around, seeing if there is anything else to report on of significance. Nearly flicked myself in the head with a tree, but I don't know if there will be. Oh. Kind of something here. I got the remnants of an old fence. I guess this is where that wiring came from. But yeah, it's destroyed. Eh, no, walking back, saw this X on the tree, and there's like some orange paint on that one. I mean, X marks the spot, right? So better get digging. This tree's like disintegrated.
Oh, I'm sure.
Barbed wire trail keeps going. So it seems to go all the way up to here, so yeah, wherever the rest of the fencing poles went, I don't know. But how bizarre is this to find on the edge of a trail? What was its purpose? I don't know, but here we are. So somebody's taken inspiration from me, maybe. Anyways, that'll be it for today. I know this was a bit of a shorter one, but you know how it is. So yeah, I'll see you guys in whatever happens next. Probably Randonautica. So stay tuned. But yeah, that'll be it for today. See you guys. I just had to make a video on this. It was just so random. I'm like, why does that look like something I'd built? But I swear, it wasn't me.